Hello guys, I am from Gaugrass Maths Hub. Today I shall discuss about one trick. That trick is Scorpion trick analysis on a quadratic equation. Form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here I have made a scorpion. You can see here. These both are the whiskers of a scorpion. Here you can see its mouth, here you can see its belly. This is the tail of the scorpion, and this you can see this part is sting of a scorpion. Now point 1 will be get prime factors of a into c, neglecting all signs. The form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. The second point is all pf's will be gobbled up by the scorpion with help of its whiskers. This means that all pf's prime factors will be put here and all prime factors will be gobbled up by scorpion. This is scorpion with the help of this its whiskers. Point 30, digestion of all pf does not occur inside its belly. This is belly of scorpion. All pf's will go inside the stomach of a scorpion. There all pf's will not get digested inside the belly of a scorpion. Now come to here third point. Third point is it comes out as two outputs, namely P and Q. That is all pf's are distributed into only two parts, P and Q. Here you can say, here you have put all pf's. All pf's have been gobbled up by the scorpion with the help of its whisker. All pf's are there in its belly. There in belly all pf's have not been digested, and all these pf's have been come out as two parts, P and Q. This means that all pf's are distributed into only two parts, P and Q. Now come to here, point number 5. Accept only that distribution which gives either P and Q equal to coefficient of x bracket closed or P minus Q equal to coefficient of x. All other distribution will be rejected. Point 6 is put the resultant value of P and Q in the boxes provided. And 7th point is in all cases, all signs plus or minus will be omitted. Now let us understand this concept with help of an example. Here I have taken an example. Example is factorize 2x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. What to do in this case? Come to through the concept number 1 here. You can see here concept 1 says get prime factors of A into C. Here you can see in this equation, quadratic equation, 2x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. The coefficient of x square is plus 2. So here you write plus 2. Here you write only 2. Because here in concept number 1 it says neglecting all signs. Here I have neglected plus sign. I will take only coefficient of x square, that is 2. That equal to A equal to 2 is here, into, here you can see the content is minus 6. Here it says neglecting all signs. This means that here content minus 6 will be treated as only C. See, the value of C is 6 here. Since I have omitted the sign, minus sign here, that becomes 12. Now what to have to do next? Get prime factors of A into C. Here I have got A equal to 2. C equal to 6. Since I have neglected all signs positive or negative in this concept. Now I have got 2 into 6 is 12. I shall do prime factors of 12. Like this, make prime factor of 12. First prime number is 2. 12 will be divided by 2, comes out to 6. 6 will be divided by 2, comes out to 3. And 3 will be divided by 3, comes out to 1. Now you have got PFs. You have got here PFs. PFs equal to 2 into 2 into 3. Now come to here. All PFs will be gobbled up by the scorpion with help of its whisker. Now come to next. You can see here. You can see here, this is a scorpion. Its whiskers, you can see here. All PFs will be put inside its whisker. Like that I am putting here 2 into 2 into 3. All PFs 2 into 2 into 3. I have put inside its whisker of a scorpion. Now all these PFs have been gobbled up by the scorpion with help of the whiskers. Now come to point number 3. It says digestion of all PF does not occur inside belly. This is a belly. This is a belly of a scorpion. All PFs have gone into its belly. There all PFs have not been digested. Now come to point number 4. It comes out as two outputs, namely P and Q. Two outputs. Since all these PFs have gone into its belly, there in its belly, PFs have not been digested, and all PFs have been come out into two outputs, namely P and Q. That is, all PFs are distributed into only two parts, P and Q. Here I have made two parts. Now, all PFs will be distributed only two parts, P and Q. Now here take 2. One part if you take here P equal to 2, one part P equal to 2 if you take. The next part 2 into 3 comes out. The next part 2 into 3 comes out. This part comes out. So what result you will get? The result here you get only 2. Here result you get 6. Here get result 6. Now come to next point. Point number 5. Accept only that distribution which gives either P plus Q. Suppose this distribution is there. Here I have got the value of P equal to 2. Here I have got P equal to 6. accept only that distribution which gives either P and Q. Now comes here P equal to 2. In this case P equal to 2. Q equal to 6 is there. If you do here P plus Q, you will get 2 plus 6 equal to 8. This 8 is not coefficient of x, though here coefficient of x is plus 1. Or P minus Q, if you do here P minus Q, this means that 2 minus 6, that comes out to be 4, since I have omitted minus sign here. Here I minus sign I have omitted, since condition is that neglecting all signs. Here you can see in all cases all signs positive or negative will be omitted. Here I have omitted minus sign. So here you can see P plus Q equal to 8. That is not coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is 1. Here you can see P minus Q equal to 4. 4 is not coefficient of x, since the coefficient of x is 1. Now what to do? Draw a line here horizontal. Now this distribution has been rejected. Now come to next distribution. Next distribution, if you do here 2 into 2, here you put 3, here it will become 4, here it will become 3. Now 2 into 2 become 4, 3 equal to 3. Now the value of P equal to 4. Here the value of P equal to 4, Q equal to 3. The P plus Q equal to 4 plus 3, you will get here 7. And P minus Q, if you do here P minus Q, means 4 minus 3 comes out to 1. So here you can see, if I do P plus Q, 4 plus 3 comes out to 7. Here if I do P minus Q equal to 1, so here you have got this one. Here since I have done P minus Q, 4 minus 3 comes out to 1. 1 is the coefficient of x. Therefore, this distribution will be final. Now come to next. Now here you have got P equal to 4, Q equal to 3. This distribution 2 into 2 and Q equal to 3 are the correct distribution of these PFs. So what to do here? Now come to this point. Here you can see coefficient of x square is plus 2. Here I plus 2. Here content term is minus 6. Here I minus 6. Both will be multiplied together. Comes out to minus 12 equal to. Here coefficient of x is plus 1. Here I plus 1 equal to. Make boxes like this. All other distribution will be rejected. Here I have rejected this distribution. P equal to 2, Q equal to 6. I have rejected. I have accepted only this distribution. P equal to 4, Q equal to 3. Satisfying all conditions. Now come to next point. Point number 6. Put the resultant value of P and Q in the boxes provided. Now I have got P equal to 4 and Q equal to 3. I will be putting P equal to 4, Q equal to 3 in the boxes provided. You can see boxes provided. Here you put 4, here you put 3, here you put 4, here you put 3. Here minus sign is fixed. Here multiplication sign is fixed here. What will do next? If you put here minus, if you here put plus, condition is not satisfied. So what will do here? this thing will be erased. Here put plus, here put minus. Here put plus, here put minus, here plus sign. Now satisfying the condition, plus 4 will multiply to minus 3, comes out to minus 12. Plus 4 will be added to minus 3, comes out to plus 1. You can see here, I have got p equal to 4, q equal to 3. I have put 4 and 3. Here I have 4 and 3. 4 boxes made here. The condition is that in first vertical column, here I have put plus 4, here plus 4 will come. Here I have put minus 3. In second vertical column, here I have put minus 3, here minus 3 will come. In first vertical column, here I have put plus 4, here plus 4 will come. This is the condition. Now you can see here, middle term plus x can be easily split into two terms, plus 4x plus minus 3x. Whatever digits with sign comes here, the same digit with sign will also come here. Whatever digit comes here with sign, the same digit with sign will also come here. Here multiplication sign is fixed. Now this condition have been verified. Now what to do next? Here I shall write original quadratic equation 2x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Implies that 2x square, here middle term plus x will be split into two parts, plus 4x minus 3x, just suffix here x and here suffix, so you will get here plus 4x minus 3x. That's why I have written here minus 6 equal to 0. Now what will do here, if you take 2x as a common, this will become x plus 2. Here you take minus 3 as a common, this will become x plus 2 equal to 0. Now here you can see in first term x plus 2 is there, and also second term x plus 2 is there. So you can take easily as a common x plus 2. Another bucket, it will become 2x minus 3 equal to 0. This will be the correct answer. Okay guys, thanks.